The equation to financial wealth is quite simple. Learn how to manage your money, master a skill set that will make you valuable, and create more than you consume. Mike Tyson earned approximately $300 million during the height of his boxing career, yet he lost all his money and was $23 million in debt when he filed for bankruptcy in 2003. Allen Iverson, once an NBA MVP, made a total of $154 million during his playing career and almost went broke after retirement. Throughout my 20s, I was in debt 3 times. What do all 3 of us have in common? We never learned how to manage our money. Look, everyone shares the motivation to make more money, and there's nothing wrong with that. But what's the point in acquiring more money if the sabotaging issue is with our inability to manage it? The first step to financial wealth, then, is to fix our relationship with money and build better habits so we can better manage it. You build the foundational skills to manage a 5-figure income, and they become transferable to a 7-figure income. At the end of the day, money comes and goes. It arrives in the form of an income, and it leaves in the form of expenses. Your income is what you earn from the work you produce, and your expenses increase as you continue to consume. So in a nutshell, the more you produce or create, and the less you consume, the more wealth you will create. But the question is, how can you create more money when you only have one source of income? How do you quadruple your production or creation? Here's the answer. You master a skill set that makes you valuable. You think like a craftsman and become one of the best at what you do, because that opens the door to more creation, which opens the door to more income streams. You can now teach others what you know. You can now productize your knowledge and yourself. The equation to financial wealth is quite simple. Learn how to manage your money. Fix your relationship with money and build the foundational skills that will become transferable. Master a skill set that will make you valuable. Think like a craftsman and become so valuable at a certain skill set that people will be so willing to pay and learn from you. Create more than you consume. Cutting expenses saves you money, but creating more income streams makes you money. And how do you build more income streams? You create products that provide added value to the market. You leverage the skill set that you've mastered. See how it all connects? Start thinking along these lines and begin walking down the path to financial freedom.